LCM by division method. How to find the LCM by division method? We need to draw the hut and write all your values with some gap and comma. Always started with 2. 27 is not possible with 2, so write same as it is. 81 is not possible with 2, write same as it is. But 52 is divisible by 2 because 2 times 2 is 4, but this is 5. 1 only carry 2, 7 times 14. Now 27, 81 and 27 are not divisible by 2. Now go for 3. 3 9 times 27. 3 2 times 6, 7 8. 2 on the carry. 3 7 times 21. 3 9 times 27. Then 3 times 3 9. 3 9 times 27. 3 times 3 9. Then we have 3 1 times 3. 3 times 3 9. 3 1 times 3. Then we have 3 1 times 3. 3 1 times 3 and 3 1 times 3. It means these are the factors for these three numbers. So LCM, least common multiple. LCM means least common multiples. Now you need to multiply all your values. Multiply with 3, multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So 2 3 times 6, 6 3 times 18, 18 3 times, let's see 18. 3 8 times 24, 2 on the carry, 3 1 times 3, 4 5. Then multiply by 3, 3 4 times 12, 1 on the carry, 3 times 5 is 15 and 16. So 162 is the answer. Draw the ending line. Now I am taking another question. And the next question will be, let's see, the next question is 210, 140, 315. For LCM by division method, you need to draw the hut, write your value with some gap and with the comma sign, and always start with 2, then go with 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 1 times 2. Then after first operation, when we will take 2 digits both, we always put 0. And other thing is 2 0 times 0 and 1 on the carry, 2 5 times 10. If you find any difficulty, you always check with division. 2 1 times 2, write down 1. 2 0 times 0, 2 5 times 10. See the answer. So 2 1 times 2, then we will take 2 digits both, so you need to put the 0. And the other thing is 2 0 times 0, 1 minus 0, so 1 on the carry, 2 5 times 10. And easy method is you can check with the division. Now 2 7 times 14. In first operation we can take 2 or 3 digits both, and 2 0 times 0. Then 315 is not possible with 2, write same as it is. Then 2 105 is not possible with 2. 2 3 times 6 and 1 on the carry, 2 5 times 10. 315 is not possible with 2. Then all these numbers are not possible with 2. Go with 3. 3 times 3 is 9, 1 on the carry, 3 5 times 15. 35 is not possible. Then we have 3 1 times 3. Now I am taking 2 digits both, so put 0. 3 0 times 0, 1 on the carry, 3 5 times 15. Now again with 3, 35 is not possible, 35 is not possible, but 105 is possible. 3 times 3 9, 1 on the carry, 3 5 times 15. Then we have, you can check this number with the division. 315 divided by 3. 3 1 times 3 minus, write down 1 3 0 times 0, 1 and 3 5 times 15. See the same answer. So you can check the division. Then we have 5 7 times, 5 7 times and 5 7 times. Then 7 1 times, 7 1 times and 7 1 times. So the LCM is multiply all your factors and then you will get the answer. 2 times 2 4, 4 3 times 12, 12 3 times 12, 3 times 36, 36 multiplied by 5, 5 6 times 30, 3 on the carry, 5 3 times 15, 16, 17 and 18, and then multiply by 7, 7 0 times 0, 7 8 times 56, 5 on the carry, 7 1 times 7 and plus 500. 1260 is your answer. So how we need to find the prime factor LCM by division method? You need to check any number with division and then write the answer. Thank you.